This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. For those of you who don't know me, welcome to This, That, and More. I do DIYs here, I do cleaning, I do arts and craft, I do lifestyle videos. So if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you like to see content like the one that I mentioned. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. Please like and share this video with someone who you know needs some transformation or needs help, assistance in moving things around. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what we're gonna be doing here today. Alright guys, so I am trying to think of what to do with this room in particular. This used to be my office, and unfortunately, because of the weather here in Florida, this is actually considered an enclosed patio. So the enclosed patio, it's tin roof and it's all windows, as you can see. It is a great room when it comes to being a sunroom, but to work on, it can get a little bit hot here. It can also get muggy, and the number one thing that I don't like working here, yes, this is a tin roof. I want to say metal roof, I don't even know what it's called, but it's kind of like a tin roof. When it thunders here, you can hear it. When it lightnings, it sounds like if you're literally standing outside when the lightning hits. On top of that, when it pours, you hear it extremely loud. So me being working from home, I am talking on the phone on my job, and it's hard to hear sometimes the customer because of all of the rain. So I'm not gonna spend another summer in here because it gets extremely hot. Even though this has a AC vent, it doesn't cool the room the way that it should because it's not insulated. It's not meant to be a room. I am now working from my bedroom, and I don't 100% agree with that. I don't like working from my bedroom because I want my workspace to just be my workspace. I don't want it to be a bedroom and an office, because then it's like mentally you're going from your rest, your space of rest, into your space of stress. So you don't want that. I want it to be completely different. But there isn't any other place in the house for me to go to where it would be completely quiet and where my dog won't howl when it starts to thunder, and he likes to howl. So that rises up a situation. What do I do with this room? What do I create in this room? So there's a couple of different ideas that I have in mind, and I kind of want to do a voting on this because I really don't know what to do. But for right now, I'm gonna clean the room. I'm gonna organize it a bit. I'm gonna get it ready so that it's visually appealing to the eye. If you come into this house, it doesn't look like a hurricane came through here. That is what we're gonna do for right now, and let's jump right in. I clean this room and organize it, I'm gonna go over with you the different ideas that I have for this room. And option one would be to create a eating space for the outdoors. So right now my backyard is not that large, and I do have a barbecue grill out there. I do have a table and chairs for eating. I also have a little section for sitting, but it is all discombobulated. Everything's all together because the area is not that large. So I can turn this area here into a eating space for the outdoors. So it could have a nice outdoor rug, bring some plants, When we have visitors, we can open up the shades, open up the windows, allow the air to flow through, kind of make it the outdoors inside, so that way it can feel like it's part of the outdoors even though it's enclosed. So that can be an option. Option two can be, instead of the eating space, convert it into an outdoor sitting space, but within these walls or windows. So same idea, but instead of the eating space, make it into a sitting space. So this can have a nice outdoor couch with some plants and the outdoor rug, so that when we're outside, we can do the same thing, have some people outside, have some others in here. I don't like that part, only because I'd rather sit outside and watch the stars, or just enjoy the nature while we're sitting down. Even at nighttime, you can have a fire pit going. And so it kind of will give you that nice outdoor feeling when you're sitting outdoors. But at least the at least the eating space, if it's indoors, is not too bad, because you come in, you eat, and then you leave, and that's it. But those are two options that I'm thinking about, and I'm leaning more towards one or the other, but I'm not sure which one I want to do just yet. Other ideas that I was thinking about that I can use this room for would be to keep this room as is, as a house office, and keep the computer here, and so that whenever I have to edit my videos or do any arts and craft, I can use my computer. The printer's still here. I can also make this a craft room where I have my sewing machine. I have the capability of creating and painting and doing things like that. So there's times where I have to use the garage, or I have to use the living room to create and to paint. I have to use my dining table because I don't have that area where I can sit down and paint. This would be a great option. I can have a folding table here and leave the table up at all times, so I can sit and paint. I can do arts and crafts. I can do my Cricut machine, sewing. So this would be a great space for that, as well as just an arts and crafts / office. So how many of you guys know what these are? They barely find them anymore. I haven't actually looked for them particularly, but when I started working for Hilton Hotels, me and my husband started traveling often, and every time we stopped in one of the cities, we grabbed a snow globe. Back when I was a child, snow globe was the thing, and we always used to love like shaking them and making the snow. They are from different areas. Some of them have like sparkles, see, they glitter. And we grabbed these when it was our first time there. This one was on I think our second or third trip to St. Augustine, but we had did the walk up of the lighthouse, and when we did that, they had these in the gift shop, and this was so pretty cool because it's supposed to be a lantern, and I think it's meant for the tree, like an ornament, and it actually turns on. Let me see if the batteries are not wasted. But look how cool that is, right? So I just kept these over the years, but I actually have to start collecting them again because I kind of stopped. These shelves, I'm going to repurpose these shelves. I actually been wanting to get shelves to put in my kitchen dinette area, just for extra storage, extra decoration, and I had not had the chance in going to Home Depot and grabbing shelves. But now that this is going to the garbage because it is no longer good, I'm gonna repurpose this. I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna stain it to the color that I want. I want more of a natural wood. This room is pretty much done for the things that I can do right now. I just wanted to make sure that this area here was clean, was organized, looked presentable, and it was not a sore eye. So I'm gonna finish sweeping up, and yeah, then I think then I'll be done, and then I'll have him remove that later, and then I'll show you how the room looks complete temporary fix. So much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to share with someone else. Don't forget to vote. Comment below your preferred choice, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.